Hello everyone, welcome back on this video. So in this video we will learn the Django app that display current date and time in the server. This experiment belongs to full stack Django development integrated lab and course code is 21 CS62. Okay, so our goal is to create this. Our main goal of experiment number 3 to show the current date and time on the in this server, live server. This is called I'm creating this video in this 11:36 p.m. and date is May 14. This is I'm creating this video, so that purpose it is showing the my current date. um, our goal is to create this app. So what are you waiting? Let's get started the program. Experiment number 3, develop a Django app that displays current date and time in the server. Here there are few steps that is called 8 or 7 steps to create and run the full Django application in the server. We firstly create the Django application. So firstly open the VS Code like this. I already created in previous videos. So master Django folder. In this master Django folder, we already created a full stack Django project with virtual environment. How created with these things in I will explain all in previous videos. Go and check it out in my YouTube channel. I will also provide link in below description box. Okay, now in VS Code open the in terminal here. This is the terminal. Open it and new terminal. Here it will default open the master Django folder, and now we enter into the full stack Django project. Now this is our main project folder, so we enter it this full stack Django folder. So change the directory, that is a command called cd and the project name full stack underscore Django. Then enter. It will change the master Django folder into the full stack Django our project. Come into the this our project folder. Here now we create the one app that is called date and time app. Before going to create the date and time app, I'm explaining what is I'm we are already provided lab manual of our website. So go and here open any browser. I'm opening Google Chrome. So here enter the our website name called search creators and code is 21CS62. Then enter here. Here in the second link, full stack development integrated lab. Click on this link. It will open the homepage and scroll down to below. Here pop out the full lab manual. Pop out and download. Refer program number 3, or else and scroll down to below. Here third program is display current date and time. Click on this link. It will go to the experiment number 3 and pop out this experiment number PDF version. Pop out it and refer this. And so what I'm explaining these views dot files, views and URLs and HTML files, all these things I'm clearly provided in this PDF file. Okay, now we come into the VS Code. Here we create the one application that is called Python manage.py start app and app name. This is the command, and also to create the application syntax is Python and manage.py file. It is our main project file. It contains all the manageable files. And next, start app is a command, and means start app is syntax, main syntax, and app name give the as you desired. Okay, so in my case I give the app name as a date time app. Okay, then enter. It will create the new Django application. This is the Django application. Here it default created init.py, what it is and what is admin.py files and what is apps.py file, what is models.py file, and test.py file, views.py. These all the aspect and files I am explaining in previous videos. So clearly understand that video, then only this video will help you to understand all these things. Okay, next, now we create the new file called URLs. It is not created URLs, so now we create the URLs. Open firstly in a date and time app. Here in your mouse, right click and then new file, and file name, give the URLs dot py file. This is with extension, then enter. And also we is not contained templates folder, so we create new one. On mouse, right click on the application and new folder and give the folder name as templates, then click enter. Here in a templates, we create the new HTML file. So current uh, date and time HTML. So in a template folder, on your mouse, right click on the on your mouse, then new file, current date time dot html, give the with extension and then enter. Okay, so now we create the initially we create the one views. We define the views. So I'm already created in our website, and also I will also provided in PDF. Okay, so refer it and copy, or else you typed is better. Okay, so I already created views, so copy it. I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to copy and save that file, and then next, here what is current date and time I have created, and next I create the templates folder. In the template folder, I created the one file, current date time HTML. So in that file I'm I'm typed HTML basic, but in my case I used Bootstrap advanced level HTML. So that purpose I use the Bootstrap. So if you know the Bootstrap fully, so then only uh, paste this. I provided HTML page. If you know the fully Bootstrap or a little bit of Bootstrap, so type the basic HTML current date and time showing the server. Okay, so I know full Bootstrap, so that purpose I already created HTML files also, and I will paste this that code into this file here. Okay, here, and save it, and then map the URLs. So this is the map the URLs. Here we create the Django app URLs. I already created one of the URLs, so I am going to copy and paste it here. So if you know more about this, what it is and what is all these things, I already clearly mentioned and also explained in detail in PDF version. So time consuming, that purpose I copy some code of a little bit of codes. It is very easy. So what it is path and what is URL pattern, what is a function here, what is defining, we define the function that is called define current date and time. Under request, we accept means we request the now current date and time, and context we render the some HTML. What is page? This is the import necessary import date, and in Django as we default uh, huge library called date and time. We import that date and time. It show the all the details about date and time currently. Next, we create the HTML file. This is the HTML file, current date and time. So in Django it consists, and it will um, run the whole full project MVC, model view, and sorry, model view template MVT patterns. So model view templates. So this is the template folder. Now we run the project. Before running the project, we need to migrate, means we change some in our Django project. We need to create a new application. That application store in the databases, so in default database. So that purpose we migrate the this our Django project. So command is python manage.py migrate, then enter. No changes. So that if you any changes are made in your project, it will migrate all the okay, like so initially refer our first video. It will all the show the what is apply all the migrations. If it is in this application, it is not mandatory any changes, so that purpose it is showing the no migration to apply. Next, run the project. The command is python manage.py run server, then enter. It will show the start development server. In this server, click on this in your keyboard control and click this link. Oh, sorry, it is showing me initially. So why, what is because of we need not to install them. We need not to install the installed apps in the settings.py file, and also we not referring or mapping the URL in the uh, project level URL. So that purpose it is showing the uh, first start development Django app. Okay, so now we go to the first minimize the this date and time app, and in project level click on this and maximize it. Here find the settings.py file. In this file find the installed apps. This is the installed apps in above. Next, here type the refer the what we created date and time app, date time app, then save, and also give the end of the line semicolon. And next, here in urs.py file, here refer the means what is path link, map the um, app URL to the project level URL here. So in above, from your django.url import.path comma include, then here path open parenthesis colon comma include of, so single quote, date time app dot urls. Okay, so end of the line colon. Now we create the, now we run the project again. Okay, control plus C, then migrate. Once if you have any changes of the in your project, um, again and again just migrate it. Okay, no changes, then python manage.py run server. This is the command. Okay, here is start development server is showing, then control plus key. It will show the current date and time in the server. This is the our server. It will show the current date, what is time and what is date of the now. It is showing like this. This is the experiment number 3 completely. Okay, in the next video we will see the 4 hour ahead and 4 hour before of the current date and time of the server. If you any errors, or if you any exception of you, if you any something to unwanted errors occurring in the creating project, let me know. I will help you to resolve that errors, and also okay,